Knights looking for their first taste of victory during this exhibition season.
Oh, what a great play, and it starts in their own end. Coming up, look at the separation. Close, our little drop pass, Connor. Puck protection around, little bank pass back to the point. And Carlson just going to position himself in a heads-up play by Whitecloud. The high slot. Carlson puts his stick in good position and perfectly deflected.
And playing center with Jake Lecision and Jonas Rondbjerg on the wings. Up ice, Alex Bocage for Colorado. Wrist shot on a pad save by Thompson. Fournier on 1 point. Stevenson playing the other one. Here's Carlson out top. Carlson looking in the middle. Outside.
Here's a look at that play. Carlson, a little tip by Connor, and then another chance by Amadio in front.
Chandler Stevenson, a career best season offensively last year. Lucas Cormier. Stevenson walks in a bit, feeds Carlson. He put it towards it, Adam. Cormier back to get it deep in his own end. On the forecheck for Colorado. Sedlak. I'll back out to the line for Englund. Across to McDonald. Shot. Save made Thompson. And he'll cover the rebound. Mahal back to get it. Took a little bump from Kaut. Puck loose on the wall. Stevenson looking to move it out. Held in by Vandershelter. Now long wrist shot from Middleton. Hit it with another batch of injury after the All-Star game here. And ended up missing the playoffs by 3 points. Eliminated them after game 81. Quinney with a shot. Oh, Gage Quinney had a bad turnover by Colorado. And Gage Quinney's made it 2-0.
Spallman turns it over. Quinney pursuit.
Here's Megna driving it back for McDonald. His shot and a pad save by Englund. Shovels to the corner. Brabanitz up the wall. Rondbjerg trying to spin loose from Bocage. Englund another wrist shot. And the sample on it for Colorado. Englund up ahead. Logan O'Connor into the zone. His shot steered away by Logan Thompson. Stevenson couldn't settle a rolling puck. Paul Connor has it now. His shot. Borzak. Short feed for Hutton. He wrists that wide of the net. Stevenson along with Cotter and Kolasar to start it out. With Hutton and Borzak on defense. He and Aaron Dell split the Dave Hill split the goaltending duties the other night. Michael Hutchinson and Yuri Patera saw some action in Colorado. We get a penalty here on the Avalanche. Ben Hutton. Out high for Whitecloud. Driving in a little bit further. Headshot off the post on the short side. William Karlsson feeding it back to Whitecloud. William Karlsson into the offensive zone. That's it. Beyond the rebound. Amadio with a rebound. Golden Knights have a 3-goal lead early in the second.
Whitecloud took the pass. Carlson does a good job giving him an option. Opens up to the pass and puck to the net. And watch Amadio. He's going to get inside position. Gets to that puck. Real good job by him winning the battle against Sedlak. And he beats Georgiev to the glove side.
And the softball. Middleton up the wall from Megna. Zips it across to Bocage. His shot turned away by Thompson. A little redirect for Kolasar. Drags it up ice and back hands it in. Stevenson to the corner with Hunt. Whitecloud. Braden Pahal looking. Score! Nice one, Braden Pahal to Paul Cotter. And 4-0 Golden Knights.
That's what happens with Stevenson. Good job in the corner to the point. And then Cotter's just going to beat his man off the wall. And a great pass by Pahal. Recognized Cotter coming to the back door, wide open. You see Cotter just adjusts his body, drops down to one knee to make sure he can get a good deflection on a great play by Pahal. And the Golden Knights grab the 4-0 lead.
Third assist of the night for Zach Whitecloud. Amadio broken up on the way to the net by Megna. And right through the crease and Middleton cleared out of danger.
Nice pass. Howden finds Amadio, but good back check just in time. It's knocked away from Amadio. before he could put it towards the goal.
Towards the knob, yeah.
Woodsticks did not have a kick point.
Piece of lumber.
As Georgiev covers.
There's the heel of it. Potter. Stevenson in the corner. Puck pops into the middle and Colasar hold it. And a shot rebound score. Get played through Georgiev. David Colasar had the initial chance. And it leaked through Georgiev. The Golden Knights are up by a handful.
One to go in the period.
It's on bleed. Out in front. Borzak scores! Borzak goes far corner on Georgiev. The sixth different goal scorer for the Golden Knights.
Hesitation by Borzak, but it's good job Colasar switching sides with the puck, and there's the pass. There's the play by Borzak. Great patience by him. Right in the high slot, above the hash mark. A little fake. That allows him to find that clear lane and force some traffic in front as Colasar heading to the front.
Logan Thompson played the first half of the game here against the Kings on Monday. Didn't allow anything. Same goes so far tonight. New goaltender for the Avalanche in third. Jonas Johansson comes in. Second round pick with Sabres back in 2014 and tip into the goal mouth for Ben Myers to break the shutout attempt for Logan Thompson. Avalanche on the board.
Oh, this little play back to the point. Good job getting to the middle of the ice. Quick shot, and I think it might be Bocage who is parked right in front as Myers is coming in. I think it's Bocage who gets his stick on it, number 74 of the Avalanche.
Van de Soppel and Myers with the assists. On the goal by Bocage. Carlson in front. Howden put it towards the net.
Out front, here's Carlson, little play. Great little pass to the front, gets past Jacobs, and there's the shot by Howden. Oh, to make it a lot more comfortable. You know how they play.
Stinking shot. Johansson got a piece of it. Wraparound chance, and then Provanic's point blank. Johansson kicked that away. Cormier dishes it off for White Cloud. Stevenson turns into the offensive end. Trying to get by England. He does, and Sullivan score! Looked like that may have gone in off of McDonald. Right in front for Colorado. Chandler Stevenson.
Club instant replay. Nice little move by Stevenson on the outside, cuts in. And this is an attempted pass to the front of the net. It's going to go off the defenseman McDonald of the Avalanche, but great strength by Stevenson. That long stick, there's that centering attempt looking for Howden. It goes off the skate of McDonald and past Johansson.
You know, is there a number of games for a veteran player, you know, to get themselves geared up for the season? You said
Vegas penalty call number 96 on Hall. Mahal, shot from the line.
Jack Eichel with Phil Kessel getting into the game the other night. That's it, Riley Smith. And Mark Stone will play one of the next two for Davis. Then final save for Logan Thompson. It's a 7-1 win for the